welcome back to another video. Today's going to be a vlog, but I thought let's start off by chatting about the ins and outs, in my opinion, for 2025. I keep seeing everyone do this. Keelan from Wear What Works, I follow her on Instagram and I've met her a few times in real life. She did one of these and I just love reading everyone's ins and outs. I feel like it really gives you tells you something about their personality. I actually wrote them down because I'm not someone that can spout things off the top of my head. I'm just a bit rubbish at stuff like that. But before I do that, I want to put my rings on because I actually realised I haven't put them on yet today. Here we go. We've got them all on. I got this one really recently, by the way, in Accessorize, and it was $19.99, and I thought it was a really good price for sterling silver, and I just think it's the cutest little pinky ring. It's in stock now if you're looking for one. I might link it below. I'll see if I can find a link to it. The other ones are all just my aunt's. This is one of my aunt's rings. These are ones that she gave me, and then this one I got in an antique shop in Lewis, and it was a couple £100, and it's got diamonds. It's 9 carat gold, or no, maybe it's higher than that. I can't remember how many carats it is, but it has the most gorgeous little diamonds on it, and I love it. I feel like horseshoes, just like good luck. Anyway, here we go. My ins. I'm just going to read these out. Maybe I'll give a little bit of background to some of them. Nice coffee. Early mornings. Taking my time with things. Moisturising my body. I actually did it today and it smells gorgeous. I feel like it takes 2 minutes to moisturise your body in the morning and it gives such a nice, I don't know, I just feel silky and smooth for the day. Cleaning as you go. I mentioned this in my previous vlog, but I am trying to get into the habit of just, if the job takes 5 minutes or less, just do it there and then. I'm going to try and do that one. Doing my hair and makeup, I feel infinitely better and I have such a good day when I feel like I look nice, and I don't know if that's vain, but it's just something I feel. Enjoying the evenings. So enjoying the evenings for me, I would say after work, making a plan, not just coming home and sitting watching TV because you feel like the day's been wasted while you're at work. The day's not wasted just because you have to work. You can do things in the evening, do things in the morning. So I'm going to try and be better at that. Pajama sets. You know, I love my piglet in bed pajamas, and I just love pajama sets. I love wearing matching top and bottoms to bed. Using up my nice bits. So I've got a nice bottle of champagne in the cupboard. I've got nice diptyque candles. I've got loads of lovely bits for Christmas, which you're going to see a video on soon, or you might have already seen it. And I just want to use them rather than save them. That's all my ins for the year. I'll tell you if I can think of any more, but I think that's pretty much it. Now for the outs. I don't know if I should have started with the outs. Anyway, outs, rushing, overthinking, putting things off. I don't want to put things off that it takes me 5 minutes, like my in. If it takes 5 minutes, do it now. But also returns. I'm going to do a return today to Uniqlo of one of those coats. You guys will remember I bought this coat in November. Thank God for extended returns. I knew it had extended returns, but I put off until now doing it, and it's just stupid. I'm going to return the jacket today. Sambas. I feel like Sambas are going to be out this year, guys. I don't know. I just feel like they're so overdone now. Everybody's got a pair. I actually didn't really go into the whole Samba or Gazelle trend. And I do still really like the black pair with a pair of black jeans, but I've never had a pair, and I think they're kind of coming to an end now. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Convenience shops. So not doing an online food shop and wasting money on inflated prices in small local shops. I'm not going to do it. Although today I am going to pick up a few bits from the shops which are local to me. So I'm kind of already going out on that one. But I'm going to start ordering my food shops properly. That is another thing I'm going to do today. I'm going to order our online food shop to come next week so that we're all prepared for the first full week back at work. I am now going to go and get changed. This is actually just what I threw on to do my hair and makeup. I'm going to go and get changed, put some clothes on and head into town. Okay, it's almost 1 o'clock. I am now ready for the day. I think I'm fully dressed. Oh, there's my green ring. I'm also going to wear this one just to be fully ringed up. I decided on my American Vintage little blue cardigan with my Skims white tee. Guys, this t-shirt is really worth the hype. People say, oh, it's expensive for a white t-shirt. I think it was £50. It washes so well and it stayed bright white, and I've worn it so many times. It's now the one that I like. You know, when you have something in your wardrobe you gravitate to all the time. This is it for me now. I have on my black Levi's high-waisted ribcage jeans, and I think my leg length is 30 because I don't like them to be too long. I actually like where you can see the boots I wear my big black chunky boots, and these kind of go straight out, and then the boots are like thinner on the ankle and you can see the ankle, so I really like that look. I'm ready to go. I'm going to wear a bit of my Diptyque perfume today. Oh, because I feel like I haven't worn this in a while. And I'm going to also take my big shopping bag with me because I feel like I'm going to be buying some stuff today. I also have to do this big return of this jacket, so I need to package this up and then let's head out. I'm just in Itsu. I've been to Fire & Ball, I've been to M&S. I now need to go to Robert Dias, and I just ordered a little chicken gyoza soup with a Diet Coke. Weirdly, I've been really fancying a Diet Coke, so I'm just going to sit and have a little solo lunch and then head home. It's now 2 o'clock, so I'm actually a bit shaky. I'm absolutely starving. I've only had my coffee today, so I'm like, oh. This looks so good. It smells amazing. I just got in the door from being in town. My food shopping is probably needing desperately to go in the fridge, but I wanted to quickly unwrap some nice flowers with you. I just picked these up in M&S. I feel like flowers are such a good way of brightening up the home. I also went to Fire & Ball and got a bunch of paint samples. I'm so excited. Obviously Fire & Ball is really expensive, but it's our first home and I just want to like do it really nice. And I saw a bunch of videos online where people had done certain rooms in certain colours and I really wanted to get some samples. So yeah, I spent some money on some paint samples and I'm very pleased with them. So I'm going to do a whole video on doing up different rooms. I've got some ideas now. I feel like for the bedroom I'm thinking about a kind of like yellowy sort of colour. Now please don't put me off it because it's something, I saw a few pics online of a particular bedroom that had a similar striped headboard to me and to us, and I really like love the yellow paint on the walls and I feel like it would go really nice. My mum will be watching this like, don't do it. She doesn't like funky colours like that, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna see what the paint samples look like anyway, and you will see that in an upcoming video, so stay tuned. Oh, just hurt my neighbour. I'm just cutting the ends off these and getting rid of any of the dead leaves. Also, I had the most delicious soup in Itsu. I couldn't really talk to you properly while I was in there because it was quite busy and I get a bit nervous like vlogging in public. And there was nowhere to like prop my phone up. I'm still not kind of used to taking this new camera out because it's a bit weird looking. So I didn't really want to have it like hanging out in the restaurant, so I didn't take it with. But yeah, I had the most delicious soup. It was a chili chicken gyoza soup and it just had such a nice warm broth. It's what I imagine ramen should taste like, but literally every single time I have ramen I'm like, this is disgusting. I'm really not someone that's into ramen. And if you watch my sister's videos you'll know that she is one of the biggest ramen fans, and so is Matt actually. It's quite funny, Matt and my sister have like the most similar taste buds of any two people that I've ever met. Okay, food shop haul time. I know I literally just said I'm not going to convenience stores. I'm not going to use the local M&S because it's too expensive and too small. But this is the final time. Not the final time, but we're getting into our proper Tesco food shops going forward, and that's all we're going to be doing. But in the meantime, this is what I got. A bag of lettuce leaves because we need these. Some cheese slices. some flatbreads, some tomatoes, a packet of bagels. I love bagels. These are the protein bagels that I was eating at home during Christmas, and I really enjoyed them, and I thought this is a really good way to make my lunches for the week when I'm back at work next week. So that's what the salad bits and the bagels are for, and the cheese. I got this for Max. It's his favourite orange juice. It's the smooth orange juice, and we don't really go out for brunch anymore. We used to always go out for brunch when we lived in Balham. There was so many good spots around, and we don't really do that anymore, and I thought actually it'll be quite nice tomorrow. I can make us some toasted bagels and some nice orange juice and coffee, and we can have a little breakfast spread here. I got a bag of French fries for tonight's dinner. French fries, I just saw that it said French fries, like thin chips. Also saw these Parmentier potatoes. These are like a freezer section dish, and you just bung them in the air fryer and they look delicious. They're also like £1. I don't know if that was expensive or not. I don't think so. Contains 6 portions. Not for me, Matt, it doesn't. God, that would be like 2 portions for us, which is wild. And then I just picked up 2 more of these delicious mix and match meals that they do. It's called the Cook Menu Elevate Everyday dish range, and this is the 2 dishes. These are kind of like from the same range that we had earlier in the week, and we loved them, and they were so tasty, and they taste like proper home cooked food. So it's just literally like raw chicken, and then they add on different toppings. So this one is British chicken breast with basil and pesto and tomatoes. You can't really see, but there's like a basil dressing in there that you basically just like squeeze over the chicken and then bake it in the oven. Then the other one that I got, which I think we'll most likely have tonight because Matt really likes these sort of things. This is a masala marinated chicken breast with a bhaji, crumb and mango chutney. God, it's all steamed up, but I'll show you properly if we have it tonight for dinner. Then what else did I get? Just 2 little things of seasoning, just because I saw these and thought they'd be handy. Rosemary, because we don't have any rosemary. Then also a hot paprika. I'm like unable to pronounce words these days. Paprika is what I'm trying to say. Hot paprika. So yeah, this is our kind of final grabbing bits and bobs food shop from M&S. So I'm going to put these little bits away, and then I'm going to get tidied up. I need to sort out that spare room up there. It's an absolute tip again. And I'm trying to do that thing where I stay on top of dishes and bits and bobs. So I will chat to you guys in a little while. I just got a package, and it's something that I ordered the other day, so I thought let me just open it with you. Excuse this knife on camera. I'm gonna open it now. Also, just a reminder of this gorgeous little vase that I got from a shop on Etsy called Rocco. They really kindly sent it to me. One of my viewers actually owns the shop, and this is the most gorgeous little blue vase, and it just fits such a nice little bunch of flowers. She really amazingly curates all the stuff herself, and just check the shop out if you're looking for some nice little homeware bits, because she's got some really good taste, and you know that I love Etsy. It's like one of my favourite sites to shop on. I got a tablecloth, so I'm going to open it with you. Here's the box, I'm just covering my address. So it's from this website called Mon Pote. It was a brand that I actually saw on Pinterest when I was scrolling for some homeware bits, and it's from Bristol, and they had some really reasonably priced different cushion covers and stuff, like really cool different bits, and this came in the package. And then I believe this is the tablecloth. Oh my god, guys, how stunning is this? I'm actually going to put it on the table right now and show you what it looks like. It's this kind of like olive and lemon sort of print, and it's gorgeous, and it's stripes. Okay, I'm gonna just show you what it looks like. 1 minute. Okay, it's definitely one size too big for the table, but we would prefer too big than too small, right? So I'm happy with it regardless. If we ever have a larger gathering and we need to like extend the table, then we can. Okay, I'm just stepping back a bit so you can see the full look of it. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. It's a bit crinkly, hang on. I definitely should have just ironed it, but I can't be bothered getting the ironing board out. How cute is that? Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. I also have been doing, here's a little quick peek of the paint samples that I've been looking at from Farrow and Ball, but that's just a quick peek because there's going to be a whole video on that. How gorgeous. Obsessed with this tablecloth. I think it's so cute. I'm so happy. It was also in the sale, so this was $69 according to the tag, but I think I got it for $49, and I think that's not a bad price for such a nice, gorgeous tablecloth from like a small independent brand, so I'm happy. It's a totally different day. I've just finished editing the vlog and I'm gonna round it up here. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you for another video on Wednesday. Bye.